Okay, question 12, I guess one of the main things that might be a problem is actually unwrapping the initial question, how it was given to you. Now, if each of these three things are equal to each other, then we can actually just go, well, this must be equal to each other, and this must be equal to each other. So there it gives me 1 and 2 simultaneous equations. So let's just have a look at those two separately. So first of all, 2x minus y minus 1 is equal to x minus 2y. And I'm going to have another one over here, which is going to be x minus 2y is equal to 3x squared minus 8y squared. And I can do each of those individually. So let's look at our left-hand one and do that all first. First of all, let's just get all my x's on one side and all my y's on the other side. So I'm going to take my 2y to this side, so that's going to give me minus y plus 2y gives me y. And then if I take this x to that side, it'll be x minus 2x, which gives me minus x, and the 1 will come over, and I've got a 1 over there. Okay, so that one's done. Now let's look at this side. Let's get, everything's all over the place, it doesn't matter. Let's just call it 2, and we are going to substitute 1 into 2. There are no like terms or anything in there, so I'm just going to substitute. Wherever I see a y in this equation, I'm going to put this whole thing. Yep. So x minus 2 times y, which is minus x plus 1, is equal to 3 times x squared minus 8 times y all squared, which is minus x plus 1 all squared. Okay, so now that I've got that, let us unpack this. X minus 2 times minus x gives me plus 2x. Minus 2 times 1 gives me minus 2. That is going to stay the same for now. Let's unpack this. I'm going to leave my 8 there. I'm going to do this in one, but if you are doing this at home, which I hope you are while you're watching, pause and could you expand it by writing out both of them properly. So negative x times negative x gives me positive x squared. Minus 1x is minus 2x altogether plus 1. Okay. X plus 2x gives me 3x minus 2 equals 3x squared minus 8x squared plus 16x minus 8. I can now get everything on one side and add up all my like terms. So 0 equals 3x squared minus 8x squared is minus 5x squared. 16x minus 3x is plus 13x, and minus 8x plus 2 when I take it on, sorry, not x, minus 8 plus the 2 when I take it to this side is going to be minus 6. Now, since making my last video a few minutes ago, I have got a graphics calculator, which is very exciting. So I'm just going to go menu, and I'm just going to move, okay, I can't move it down. Can I move this up while I'm recording? Well, trust me, I'm going to put the values in. So it's going to be minus 5. As you can see, I actually just did this one. I was just checking it. Negative 6. You could have divided all the way through by negative. It's all the same. And I see that my x-intercepts, not that, are 2 and 3/5. So these are equivalent. Okay. And now I just need to substitute those back into my original equation. I would select this one because it is easier. So y equals minus x plus 1. And y equals minus x plus 1. So it's going to be the point 2, negative 1, or what was it? 0.6, 0.4. Okay, so hopefully that all worked out. If you put those two equations in, you'll see, you'll see what it is if you just put it into Desmos. Yeah, so hopefully you've worked through that as well, and hopefully that helps. See you next time.